Hi guys, it's Daniela, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the As It Was TikTok trend, which is actually like really popular because this dance is used not only with this song but like with a lot of other songs. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. Okay, so this dance is actually really easy. So the first steps are 1, 2. So basically what we're gonna do is our hands are gonna do like a small circle forward. So we're gonna start with the right and then the left. Also, this video is mirrored, so it's gonna be a lot easier for you to follow. So basically 1, 2, and then our right hand is gonna go down and then up, just like that. So 1, 2. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is an 8 with our right hand. So basically, we're just gonna go 1 and then 2. Once again, 1, 2, and then what we're gonna do is 1, 2. So basically, just pretend it's like really hot outside. So we have to do 1, 2. So from the beginning, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that was the first part of the dance, and now for the second part. This second part is like used in a lot of dances. So we're gonna do 1. So basically, first we're gonna do just our legs. We're gonna just kick forward, and then we're gonna step, just 1, and then step so that our legs are shoulder width, and then we're gonna do 2. So basically just our left leg is gonna go behind our right leg and we're gonna bend both of them. So it's gonna go like this, 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. Okay, and for our hands, we're gonna go 1. They're just gonna go to our right, to the opposite side our leg is going. Then we're gonna step. Our hands are gonna do whatever. And then for this part, our left arm is gonna go behind our head and the right one is just gonna be straight. So it's gonna be like this, 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. And then we're gonna pretend we're driving and we're gonna step forward with our right leg. And we're gonna go like this. Just pretend you're driving, just like that. So 1, and then we're gonna do like a wave forward with our hands, and we're gonna just wiggle our fingers, so just like that. And we're gonna do like a small wave forward, just like that. So once again, from this part, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's it, and that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First, we're gonna do it slowly, then just a little bit faster, and we're done. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, well done. So now we're gonna do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment down below what other dances you want me to do, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!